Yeah, I'm doing well. What about you? How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm also good, and I'm waiting for you that when I would make a session with you because I know that you are a YouTuber and you have 4K subscribers. So congratulations for it.
Yeah, thanks,
Okay.
ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Okay. So tell me something about yourself.
Yeah, ma'am. My name is Anil Kumar, and I am from Bihar. If I talk about my education qualification, so I am a student of BA. It's my second year, and my honors paper is English. And if I talk about my hobby, so my hobby is teaching and creating videos for my YouTube channel. And in my life, I want to be a good teacher. That's all about myself. Now you can tell me something about yourself.
Okay, so my name is Rinki Chakravarti. I live in West Bengal, and actually I'm a homemaker as well as simultaneously I run my own YouTube channel. My channel name is English with Arati, and I am a mother of one kid. This year my son will promote class 5. Yeah, that's it.
Wow, good. You are also a YouTuber. Great.
Very
So,
nice.
ma'am,
Start.
yeah, ma'am, today we are meeting for the first time. So I want to make something different video today. So do you have any topic?
Okay, so actually right now I don't have any topic, but how about if we play rapid fire round? Do you know rapid
Yeah,
fire
it's
round?
good. Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah, it will be good.
Okay, I will say some sentence in Hindi. You will try to translate it in Bengali, in English.
Yeah, in English. I don't know Bengali. Yeah, yeah, no problem. It's your mother tongue, so it comes in your mind. Yeah, it's common thing.
But as well as I would like to say something that my Hindi is not good, but you will try to adjust it. Okay.
Yeah, no problem. But whatever you know, I think that will be good. Okay, you can ask.
एक लड़का था.
There was a boy.
Okay, वो बहुत गरीब था.
He was very poor.
उसका एक टीचर था.
He had a teacher.
ओके एंड वो दयालु नहीं था. वो टीचर दयालु नहीं था.
That teacher was not kind. His teacher was not kind.
ओके, तो वो हमेशा उसको मारता पीटता था. मतलब वो हमेशा उसको मारता था.
His teacher always used to beat him.
ओके, देन सो एक दिन वो वहां से मतलब रन अवे को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? मतलब
भाग गया, भाग गया.
या एक दिन वो वहां से भाग गया.
One day he ran away from there.
ओके, वो एक जंगल में पहुंच गया.
He went to. He reached in a forest.
ओके, वो वहां पे बहुत दिन बिताया.
He spent many days there.
इन फॉरेस्ट, जंगल में. ओके,
In forest.
दैट वो वहां पे कुछ खाना नहीं था तो इसीलिए वो बीमार पड़ गया.
There was no anything to eat, so that's why he became ill.
ही बिकेम इल. या ओके, तो एक दिन वो एक गुफा में पहुंच गया. गुफा अंडरस्टैंड
One
कैव.
day, yeah, cave.
एक गुफा में, गुफा मतलब कैव होता है ना, गुफा बोलते हैं ना हिंदी में.
A gufa, gufa. Huh?
या एक दिन एक गुफा में पहुंच गए वो.
One day he went in a cave.
he went into a cab. एक जगह से
Yeah,
दूसरे जगह.
yeah, into a cave.
तो वो उधर सो गया.
वो वहां सो गया. He slept there.
अचानक से वो कुछ मतलब अचानक से उसको कुछ आवाज सुनाई दी. एक नॉइज सुनाई दी.
Yeah. Suddenly he heard something.
some noises.
Some noise. Yeah, some noises. Suddenly he heard some noises.
And that's why like no, वो उसने अपनी आंखें खुली.
इसलिए उसकी आंखें खुली.
वो उसने जब उसका आवाज सुनाई दी, उसने अपना आंख खोला.
He, yeah. After listening that noises, he opened his eyes.
उसने देखा कि एक लायन उसके सामने खड़ा था.
He saw that there was a lion standing in front of him.
थे। वो जो लायन था वो मतलब रोडिंग रोडिंग को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में?
दहाड़ना दहाड़ना।
हाँ, वो
Yes.
जोर जोर दहाड़ रहे थे।
Yeah. The lion was roaring.
ओके। एंड वो जो लायन था वो ना मतलब लंगड़ा लंगड़ा के चल रहा था।
The lion was
लिम्पिंग
what?
लिम्पिंग लंगड़ाना, लंगड़ा लंगड़ा के चलना ना को बोलते हैं लिम्प, जो लंगड़ा लंगड़ा के चलता है।
Yeah, the lion was walking, limping. Yeah, the lion was limping.
लिम्पिंग
Yeah,
तो
the lion was limping. Yeah, good.
वो जब देखा उसको लगा वो लायन उसको मारने आ रहा है।
When he saw that lion, then he thought that lion is coming to kill me.
The lion was coming to kill him.
मारने आ रहा था। Yeah, the lion was coming to kill me. Yes.
Kill उससे मारने आ रहा था, killing him उससे मारने आ रहा था। हम लोग स्टोरी बता रहे हैं उस him होगा मीनिंग him
Yeah,
killing
killing. Yes.
him। बट उसने फिर से नोटिस किया, उसने एक चीज नोटिस किया।
He noticed one thing.
एंड जो लायन था वो शायद कुछ पेन में है, कुछ तकलीफ में है।
Repeat your sentence.
वो उसने ये फील किया कि वो लायन कुछ तकलीफ में है।
Oh, he felt that the lion is in problem.
Is in problem or the lion to be in pain. The lion to be he seemed like no that he seemed to be in pain.
Oh, he seems to be pain. Yes.
तो उसको ना वो दया आया, वो लायन के लिए उसको दया आया।
Oh, उस lion के लिए उसको दया आया। He felt kind for lion.
यस। और किसी तरह से उसने वो हिम्मत जुटाई।
Somehow he
he gathered courage. He gathered courage. हिम्मत जुटाना को बोलते हैं gathered courage. He gathered.
Okay. Somehow he gathered courage.
Okay. And वो लड़का उस लायन के पास गया।
And that boy went to that lion.
Okay. So उसने वो लायन को अच्छी तरीके से देखा।
He saw that lion properly.
properly. तो और उसने वो देखा कि वो एक कांटा उसकी पैरों में चुभा हुआ था।
He saw that कांटा क्या बोलेंगे?
थ्रोन।
Yeah. He saw that a throne was चुभना का?
Like no that picked something.
Pick.
कांटा था एक, उसने एक कांटा देखा ना उसके लायन के पैर में। So he saw a thorn in his in the lion leg.
In the lion's leg. Oh. He saw a throne. He saw a throne in the lion's leg.
उसने वो किसी तरीके से, और उसको लगा कि नहीं वो निकलना चाहिए, वो निकल देना चाहिए।
Oh, somehow he thought that that throne should be took out. Yeah, took out.
The throne should be like not taken. The throne should be
taken out. Yeah, taken out. Yes.
Taken out. So and उसने वो थ्रोन जो है वो कांटा निकाल दिया।
And he took and the throne he took out.
He took out the throne. He took out the
Yeah,
throne.
and he took out the throne. Yes.
जो लायन था वो बहुत खुशी में था, बहुत खुशी में था।
The lion was, yeah, the lion was in a very pleasure.
Yeah, or you can say that full of joy.
Yeah, full of joy. Yeah.
Yeah. और वो लायन उसकी वो मतलब ना उसके मतलब हाथ को चाटने लगा.
And that lion started to licking his hand.
ओके. उसके बाद वो दोनों दोस्त बन गया.
After that, both became friends.
ओके. वो दोनों एक साथ सोने लगे.
Yeah, both started to sleep together.
स्लीपिंग टुगेदर.
Yeah, yeah.
तो बहुत दिनों तक वो गुफा में ही था.
बहुत दिनों से ही गुफा में था.
वो लड़का गुफा में ही था.
Oh, that that boy was that boy that boy had been living. Yeah, that boy had been living in cave for a long time.
ओके. वो लायन उसके लिए खाना लाता था.
The lion was bringing food for him.
ओके. एक दिन कुछ सोल्जर जो है उस गुफा के पास से गुजर रहा था.
One day, some soldiers were crossing.
Passing through the like no forest, passing through the
Yeah.
cave.
Passing through the cave. Yes.
वो सोल्जर लोगों ने उस लड़के को देख लिया कैब में.
Oh, those soldiers. Yeah, those soldiers saw that boy in cave. Yes.
वो सोल्जर लोग वापस उसको लेके गया उसके
Yeah.
मास्टर.
Those soldiers took him back with them.
took him back to his master.
To his masters. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now this story is finished.
No. थोड़ा सा है.
Okay. Speak.
तो उसके बाद उसके मास्टर ने एक मतलब घोषणा किया, एक अनाउंस किया.
After that, his master announced that
उस लड़के को एक लायन के साथ फाइट करना होगा.
फाइट करना होगा. That boy will have to fight with a lion.
ओके. तो इसीलिए उस बॉय को एक लाइक नो दैट इसीलिए उस बॉय को एक मतलब वो क्या बोलते एक जेल के अंदर ना मतलब रखा गया था. उस बॉय को एक जेल में रखा गया था.
Prison, yeah, jail, prison. So that boy kept in a prison.
ओके. तो जब और उसके बाद वो एक लायन लाया.
कौन लाया? Soldiers. Yeah. After that, soldiers brought a lion.
ओके. एंड उसको जेल में डाल दिया. उस लायन को भी जेल में डाल दिया.
And that lion was जेल में डाल दिया गया.
उसको द लायन उसको जेल में डाल दिया गया. लाइक ना that lion was like no that उसको जेल में डाल देना. the lion
Thrown. The lion was thrown.
in jail.
The lion was thrown in the jail, in the prison.
Send मैंने भेजना send.
The lion was sent. Yeah.
Sentence.
The lion was sent in prison.
Yeah. Okay. जब उस लायन ने वो लड़का को देखा.
When that lion saw that boy,
तो उसके आगे वो झुक गया. मतलब वो झुक के बैठ गया.
Then that lion sat झुक के बैठ गया.
मतलब the lion was sitting in front of that boy.
The lion sat in front of that boy.
In front of that boy. तो और वो दोनों ने एक दूसरे को हक किया.
After that, both hug each other.
तो सभी लोग जो कि वहां पे खड़ा था वो सभी लोग ना वो लोग बहुत ज्यादा shocked हो गया.
The people who were standing there all became shocked after watching that scene.
Okay. So yeah, shocked. So here we can use one word, like no, the shocked we can use. This is also correct. Okay, I'm not saying, but if we like no, if we are want to learn this language, so that's what I'm saying. Here, if we use that feel with wonder, that means amazed or shocked. Feel with
Shocked, yeah,
feel with
yeah,
everyone was filled with wonder.
wonder, yeah, that is good also.
और तो तब उसने उस लड़के ने सबको बताया कि ने कैसे उसने उस लायन की मदद की.
Oh, then that boy told everyone that how did he help that lion.
ओके. जब क्योंकि वो लड़का बहुत गरीब था इसीलिए उसका मतलब लाइक नो उससे कोई फ्रेंड बनाना नहीं चाहता था.
What?
क्योंकि वो लड़का बहुत गरीब था इसीलिए उसका कोई मतलब फ्रेंड नहीं था.
Oh, yeah, because that boy was very poor, so he had no any friend.
बट वो लायन ही था जिसने उस पे ना दया दिखाई और दोनों एक साथ रहने लगी.
Oh, and there was only that lion. He felt kind for that boy, and the lion became his friend.
दोनों मतलब ऐसे दोनों जैसे भाई के जैसा दे लाइक नो they started living as a brother.
Yeah, they started living as a brother.
तो उसके बाद जब वो सब सुना वो जो लड़के ने जो कुछ बताया.
What?
मतलब लड़के ने जो कुछ भी बताया वो सभी लोग ने सुना और सभी लोग ने मतलब शॉक्ड हो गया. तो उसके बाद उन दोनों को ना दोनों को छोड़ दिया गया.
Oh, whatever that boy told to everyone.
Told
After
whatever the boy told everyone.
everyone, yeah. After listening this thing, yeah, they left them.
Okay. And वो दोनों फिर से जंगल में आ गया.
And after that, they came back forest.
They came back to forest. Yeah. तो यही था स्टोरी.
Yeah, this was a really nice story. So did you make by yourself or by reading any book?
मैंने एक मतलब मैंने एक पढ़ा तो एक बंगाली स्टोरी में पढ़ा तो उसको मैंने ट्रांसलेट किया हिंदी एंड आफ्टर दैट आई एम ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इट.
Good. Wow.
This kind of like no if we like no discuss on this kind of topics and rapid fire, so we have learned so many things, even
Yeah,
that
yeah.
and the sentence formation, how to use the structures, so that's
Structure, yeah, many things.